So guys, this is graphicart.com. You have to come on this website. This is the officially website of graphicart. You can see here the search key. You just click on this and then you have to type your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this all result you can hear, otherwise you go to product and then click to title of Z890. After that click to support. Then you can guys see here there are two operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so if you are using separate, otherwise you can select all. Okay, so I am Windows 11. Okay, so select operating system Windows 11. On Windows 10 also same installations process. Okay, then VGA driver, just click to download. You can see here this is size. So it is completed. Just single click to icon and our setup to double click. Now this is extracting to copying to your system to extract file. After that click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing graphic card driver. You can see here. So guys, finally this is installed. After that close it.